art and craft shop with arts and there.
Hi, let me introduce proudly 12-piece carving chisel set. This set is a professional wood carving set. The handles are made with hardwood and each tool is impregnated in the wood, and the wood carving chisel set comes in a beautiful pouch packing with all the 12 tools aligned in the pouch. Let me show you one by one the chisel set. I don't know these names, exact names, but I will be showing you the shapes and sizes. The carpenters, the wood craftists, all they can use this, and this tool is like a U shape, okay, with a wedge at the bottom. The next tool is like a fish fin, like that. You can see here how they look, very beautiful. Nowadays there are many modern machines used for making many designs on the wood, but these tools are hand carving tools. The value of hand carving is at par when compared to the machine made, and you can see here this tool is like a flat, that is V shaped tools. You can see here the tip is like a V shape, and also this tool is like a crescent shape, the tip is like a crescent. So for making flowers they can use these tools. Wood crafters, they use these tools not only for those, many designs you can use this tool. Making of sculpture with wood has been extremely practiced with this type of chisel tools. Now I am going to show you this U-shaped bend tools. Here you can see a bend in the tool. The finished products from these tools are very valuable. Not only for sculpture these tools are used, for designing the doors and all other things you can use. And this one is a wedge shape with a straight gauge in it. You can see here there are many techniques used with these tools, like patterning, blocking, detailing, surfacing, smoothing. And this one is a straight wedge tool where you can just put a hammer out and give a very big beautiful carving chisel effect. This is one of the main chisel tool used by the carpenters. Wood carvers choose soft wood for making sculptures, etc. But teak wood are most famous in India and also in Asian countries. And this one is a straight corner chisel where you can design all the corners and also other areas with this. The main character of the teak wood is that it gives the exact sculpture or exact design of the product, finished product. And this tool is the straight gauge where there is a slight U curve with a wedge in it. Some wood carvers they use basswood, which is another form of softwood. And this tool is a straight chisel. The first I showed you is somewhat smaller, and this one is somewhat bigger. So this is also used by many carpenters for designing work, and mostly apple tree wood, walnut wood, mango tree wood. These are also excellent sculptures giving wood structures, and these are all hardwood. And this tool is called as the V tool, and you can also make different designs out of it. These tools are available as set form. You can just WhatsApp me or get it in my two websites, or come directly to my shop and get it. I hope you have got some information about this tool. We are also selling all art and craft items, and this tool is the same like the straight corner wedge but at a smaller size. And these are all some of the designs that you can make with these type of tools, and many more designs also you can make. I will be coming up with more and more tools, waiting for your valuable comments, and kindly don't forget to subscribe our channel as you will be getting regular updates of our new videos. Thank you for watching.